If you're over 60 and your vision isn't what it used to be, here's something you probably didn't expect. Cooked vegetables might be the secret to repairing your eyes while you sleep. Now, I know veggies don't usually get people excited, but hear me out. Some of them can actually work wonders for your eyes. In this video, we are diving into 4 specific vegetables that, when cooked properly and eaten regularly, can support your eye's natural repair process overnight. Whether you're struggling with blurry vision, eye strain, or just trying to preserve what you've got, these cooked veggies could be your new best friend. Let's jump in, and make sure to stick around till the end because the most powerful veggie on this list is coming up last. 4. Cooked carrots. The night vision booster. Ah yes, the classic. You've probably heard this since you were a kid, but there's real truth behind it. When carrots are cooked, the beta-carotene becomes even easier for your body to absorb. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A, which your retinas need to function properly. That means sharper vision, especially in low light. Carrots also contain other antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress, protecting delicate eye tissues from damage over time. Pair them with a healthy fat, like a drizzle of olive oil or a pat of butter, and your body absorbs even more of those eye-loving nutrients. That's why a simple side of roasted carrots can do more than just brighten your plate. It can brighten your eyesight too. So if you've been fumbling for the bathroom light switch at night or squinting during evening drives, try adding some steamed or roasted carrots to your dinner plate. Your eyes will thank you when you're dreaming in HD. But carrots aren't the only veggie with nighttime eye repair powers. The next one might surprise you. 3. Cooked red bell peppers. The vitamin C champion. You might not think of bell peppers as a cooking veggie, but saute them or roast them, and they become sweeter, softer, and incredibly rich in eye-supporting nutrients. Red bell peppers are packed with vitamin C, which helps strengthen the blood vessels in your eyes and may lower your risk of developing cataracts. They also carry flavonoids and carotenoids that play a role in reducing inflammation and protecting delicate eye structures. Interestingly, the heat from cooking actually softens the pepper's cell walls, releasing more of these beneficial compounds for your body to use. Combine them with onions, zucchini, or even lean meats, and you've got a nutrient-packed dish that's both tasty and therapeutic. They also have beta-carotene and other antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress in the eye. Toss some roasted red bell peppers into your dinner, or stir-fry them with your protein of choice for a colorful, eye-boosting meal. Now, if you're not a fan of green mush, don't worry. This next veggie may not look exciting, but it's working overtime behind the scenes. 2. Cooked spinach. The Macula protector. Spinach might not win any popularity contests, but your eyes don't care about taste. They care about lutein and zeaxanthin. These 2 antioxidants are crucial for protecting your macula, the part of the eye responsible for central vision. And here's the kicker. Cooking spinach actually increases the bioavailability of these nutrients. It's also loaded with vitamin K, magnesium, and iron, which support healthy blood flow and oxygen delivery to your eyes. Adding a squeeze of lemon juice or pairing spinach with eggs or cheese enhances absorption even more. So whether you toss it into a hot skillet with a bit of olive oil, blend it into soups, or fold it into an omelet, spinach gives your vision a steady dose of protective power. Toss it into a hot skillet with a bit of olive oil or steam it lightly, and you've got a vision-protecting powerhouse on your plate. Regular intake has been linked to reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of vision loss in seniors. If you found this video helpful so far, go ahead and tap that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. Around here, we cut through the noise, keep things practical, and give you advice you can actually use to stay healthy and independent. Now, while adding these 4 cooked vegetables to your diet is an excellent start, I want to share something with you that's been a game changer for many people over 60 who are serious about protecting their vision. When I was researching natural solutions for eye health, I came across something called Moringa, often called the miracle tree. And honestly, at first I was skeptical. But when I dug into the research and saw what's actually inside this plant, I understood why it's been used for thousands of years. Moringa is packed with vitamin A, the same nutrient that makes carrots so powerful for your eyes. But here's what caught my attention. It also contains vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, and powerful antioxidants that work together to protect every part of your eye, from the retina to the lens. The problem is, moringa leaves have a pretty strong, earthy taste that most people don't enjoy. That's why I started using Moringa Magic, a high-quality moringa supplement in capsule form. No bitter taste, no hassle, just 2 capsules a day with water, and you're getting all those eye-protecting nutrients. Look, I'm not saying moringa replaces the vegetables we just talked about. Think of it as reinforcement. It's like having a nutritional safety net, especially on days when you're not getting enough carrots, spinach, or sweet potatoes in your diet. Plus, moringa supports so much more than just your eyes. It helps with inflammation, blood pressure, brain health, and overall vitality. If you want to learn more about Moringa Magic, I've put a link in the description below. They're currently running a special offer, and if you grab the 3-month or 6-month supply, you'll get some valuable bonuses about natural health. Plus, they have a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in trying it. Alright, we've saved the best for last. This final veggie might just be the most underrated eye healer on your plate. 1. Cooked sweet potatoes, the overnight eye reviver. Sweet potatoes are nature's candy, without the sugar crash. When cooked, they're a rich source of beta-carotene, just like carrots, but also contain vitamin E, which plays a key role in protecting eye cells from damage. That's especially important while you sleep, when your body is working hard to repair itself. They also offer potassium and fiber, which support overall circulation and blood pressure, 2 factors closely tied to long-term eye health. For even more benefit, pair sweet potatoes with cinnamon or a healthy fat like coconut oil, since that boosts absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. From casseroles to roasted wedges, they're a versatile comfort food that doubles as overnight nourishment for your eyes. Bake them, mash them, or roast them with a drizzle of coconut oil. Your eyes will get a steady supply of nourishing compounds that support nighttime regeneration and long-term visual health. So there you have it. 4 simple, everyday vegetables that, when cooked and eaten regularly, can help your eyes repair while you sleep. It's not magic, it's nutrition. Even if you're not chasing perfect 20/20 vision, supporting your eyes now means fewer struggles down the road. Your plate can be your prescription. Just make sure you cook it right. Which of these veggies are you already eating? Have you noticed a difference in your eyesight? Or do you have your own go-to foods for better vision? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what's working for you. And if you know a friend or family member who's been worrying about their vision getting worse, please share this video with them. Something as simple as what's on your dinner plate can bring real peace of mind, and this might be exactly what someone you care about needs to see. And if you're serious about staying youthful and strong from the inside out, don't stop here. In the next video, I'm sharing how one tiny, often overlooked seed can help slow aging at the cellular level and support energy from within. It's surprisingly simple, but incredibly powerful. Click here to watch it now.